Bangalore, Kohler Engines announces a significant expansion in its KDI engine family product offerings, marked by the attainment of Bharat Stage 5 certification. Compliant with the stringent Bharat Stage Emission Standards (BSES), Kohler Engines has secured CEV Stage 5 certification for construction, equipment vehicles and TREM Stage 5 certification for agricultural tractors and other equipment. Additionally, the user-friendly Kohler Checkup, designed for smartphones, streamlines maintenance with a personalized program based on usage patterns, and direct spare parts purchasing. With its extensive experience, Kohler has successfully met this challenge, offering a truly integrated solution in its modern and advanced KDI engines.
I'm the program manager for Kohler Energy engine business. Today we have launched the new KDI series, which is globally homologated and certified. We are presenting this all in EXCON 2023 from 12th to 16th of November, and I would suggest you guys come and have a look at the various engine offerings we have from Kohler Energy here in EXCON 2020. Thank you.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಮೋಹನ್ ಅಂತ. ನಾನು ಕೋಲರ್ ಇಂಜಿನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 10 ಇಯರ್ಸಿಂದ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಸಿಮ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಪೂರ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ನಮ್ಮದು KDI ಇಂಜಿನ್ನ ಭಾರತ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ 5 ಅದರ ಸರ್ಟಿಫೈ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯುರೋಪಿಯನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜು, ಕೊರಿಯನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ಗೂ ಸರ್ಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ಇದು ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಈ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ.